from Edward's phone we will see all the comments. If you will write, we need to turn off sound, otherwise we are hearing ourselves, Edward. So today we will open surprise bags. Yeah. Are you excited? And we have it. We bought from Smith's toy shop, and one bag cost £4. And also we got this mystery jokes and gags mystery bucket, and let's see what jokes will be inside there. And it costs £6 at Smith's Toys Superstore. And if you will have time, we will make some slime, some spooky slime, because Halloween is coming and it will be spooky.
We need orange.
Okay, let's go. Oh, Kitty, be careful. Be careful. You have very sharp nails. Yup, it's a girl.
Yeah. And the chunky boy. Wait, there's someone else.
Okay, let's start.
Who's that second?
So here is 9 surprises, 9 jokes inside, and everyone will take out 3 surprises. Katie will take 3, Edward will take 3, and I will take 3. Yeah?
Yeah. Guys, there's one person watching. One's my brother, one's
someone
another person. Oh.
Okay, let's go. Let's start with the girls. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you ready? I will show you this. Surprise bag, if you will see it.
It doesn't really see it.
Yeah, and this.
And
Ooh, what is inside? And Edward, take camera. And this. Wow.
What is it? There's 16 toys in there.
So. Okay, let's guess, let's leave comments. There is 16 surprises inside. You can leave comments what you think, what will be inside. There will be probably some fidget toys, yeah?
Guys, what I gave you,
last live stream we were unboxing Timu package. We've got 3D pens, and he made some beautiful 3D figures. Look.
Rooney.
Edward all by himself made it.
Oh, don't forget the flower.
Yeah, and he made flower for me.
And the couch. Guys, look, it can
And,
clear its teeth. Say,
room. And he made a flower for me. Look, it's very beautiful.
Mama, no one's watching.
And it was a surprise for me.
And
Yeah?
There's also this.
And this is bench. Yeah, but later this live stream you can go anytime and you can watch the video, yeah? You don't need...
But it's just me.
Okay. Are you ready to open?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's start with the cake here.
I think it.
Because you are older? Yeah. Okay, cake here, let's go.
I want to open it.
Yeah, let's go. Don't look, just take by one out. One.
It's the same.
Guys, we bought 5 days ago.
It's the same, exactly the same. But it was different color. It was yellow.
Wait. I will show. Yeah. Okay, Edward, let's go. It's cactus maybe.
Let me have a good feel around.
Da. What is this?
Look at this.
Look, it is. In Edward's bag. Mom. Yeah, okay, now your turn.
Mom, Edward has different stuff.
We are on live stream! Woohoo! Hello, who joined us right now?
3 people.
Oh, wow, awesome. Okay, Katie, take out now yours.
Mom.
Nekas mums vēl ir tie surprise, yeah? You know what you have? It's a bar. Katie?
Oh shit, I'm cold.
Edward. Look. Wow, it's awesome. Yeah? Katie, tu varēsi šito vēl atgādināt. Tad es savam draudzenēm iedot dāvanu.
Oh, look.
It's the same bar, yeah? Wow. Wait, Edward has the same also. So Katie 5 days opened this bag already, and we now wanted to check if we'll have the same or no. So she gets the same things again. So she now little bit upset that she gets the same things. But you can give to your friends, or we can give to our subscribers some gifts. Yeah, come to me, come in my lap. Yeah, and we can make bigger this. Yeah, you can make big too. You can connect. Yeah, like now. Let's take it out. Oh, look, you can make connections. Look, see, you will have bigger ones. Whoa, look, see? Oh, wow, it's so cool. Oh, you see? It's very big and you can play with it. Let's see? Oh, wow. Okay, now you the blue teddy bear.
Oh.
Ooh.
Bamboo.
Yeah, and you can-
Look, I think I put popped it.
Okay, we can take your surprise out.
Yes. This is peachy. This is way peachy.
It's making funny sound. Yeah.
Wait, I'm something about this. You can do this.
No, we will put out everything from pink back here, yeah, and from blue we will put.
Oh my gosh! Oh!
It's very loud. Edward, okay, take next surprise out.
Dinosaur?
Ah.
I got a unicorn up there. Oh my gosh! Oh wow! Oh, wait, I know what this is!
It's so beautiful blue, yeah. To camera. Throw in the camera.
Oh, almost! I don't know what you mean.
Okay.
No, that looks so cool.
What is that? You? Show in the camera. Show in the camera. Show in the camera.
I've seen these things. Happy.
Okay. Okay, Katie, now your turn. Take it out. Oh, butterfly!
I'm gonna bake it.
It's a butterfly. Okay, but now you take out.
Oh, these things. Yeah. I will take one.
Cool. I have a lot of bags now. Let's put here like and make a butterfly. Or maybe you will go and sit on near table, yeah? It will be easier for you to make a. Show in camera butterfly.
Slow camera.
I will show these two things. It's from Edward's bag.
Oh.
Okay, next item, Edward.
This?
Yeah. Ooh,
It's
nice.
like a stretchy thing.
Yeah.
I remember.
Let's see how stretch you can do it. Oh,
Hold this, hold this.
okay. I think you are not in the camera anymore. Yeah, you are out. Go, go, go.
No, I think this is the max, or else.
No, not here. Here, come here.
Oh, it's still going.
I'm alone in the camera now, guys. down. I will show. Or later we will show. Later we will zoom in and show everything what was in each bag, okay? What happened? What happened? What happened? Okay. Look. Ooh. Okay.
That was not it.
Katie, you're taking next item. I will make your butterfly, okay? Haha. Okay. Yay. Done. Can you show me? You have the same, yeah, but different color.
Yeah, this one is
Katie, nekrīsi ārā
the...
no kameras, tevi neredzēs. Tevi neredzēs kamerā.
Right, and then we add this one.
Look, a butterfly and this. And butterfly can fly. Katie, catch. Woo! Okay, next item, Edwards. Excited? I like unboxing. I like unboxing packages, mystery, and I like to watch all unboxing videos. What you have? Edward have a plane. So Katie has a butterfly, and Edward has a plane. Yeah.
Edward got that on his birthday.
Brown.
He has nothing. Next, can I open?
Yeah. Next, you take out.
Oh.
So Katie got everything the same what was in the previous bag. She was opening already this pink bag and she had exactly the same items, same color, everything's the same.
Don't try hitting the
Showing the camera, yeah?
camera.
And later we will zoom out everything. And we still need to open these jokes. Ooh, I'm very curious what is inside.
Look at
Zaki, tu vēlāk video var paskatīties, kad laivas jums ir beidzies, var jebkurš iet un paskatīties video, jā?
Edward is watching.
Yeah, it's not. Oh! It landed in my shoe.
No.
Nice. Nice. Okay. Katie,
Next
did you?
item.
Okay.
Katie,
they
landed.
In my shoe.
I got two.
Ooh. I think this is glow in the dark. Glow in the dark. Let's open. Yeah, Katie, let's open.
I want the one you This is way more clear than my old one.
Oh, it's a little mouse.
Look, it's so sticky.
Go show me the camera. Wait, wait.
No, it's a pet. It's a bear.
Go show.
Mom was silly and said it was a butt of.
Nice. I think this glow in the dark teddy bear. Later we will show. Okay, but next item from your package.
I got purple. Please change. I'm gonna go into.
Viņš parādīs, Zeki. Vēlāk jūs varēsiet kopā spēlēties, jā? Later you can play together and share everything, yeah?
Hey guys. I like purple more.
Yeah, later you can share and yeah. Do you see your kittens?
Not on the ring light.
Kitties are here.
Yeah.
Kitties.
Oh, I landed it. No.
Okay, but go.
Shebang.
Yay, found it here. Okay, Katie, I got the same, but pink. Yeah? But pink. And it's with sticky.
Very sticky.
Okay, next item. Okay, finish it. Jūs vēl tik ārā.
No, get it.
And it is...
Wait, I go? Dinosaur.
Wow! Katie, I didn't have yet.
Wait.
Something different. You have unicorn, yeah? Wow.
This is the...
Wow!
Wait, guys, I know what to do. I think I... No.
Okay, Katie, what's
This
that?
is for launching, Mama.
Okay.
Look.
Not that one, Kitty, not that one.
It's for pencils. Like why?
No, that's not. It's not.
Okay. Katie, take out your item. Do. What you... Ooh, nice.
Oh, hold one side. Oh, very
That's
low.
big.
Ooh, don't let it go. Don't
That's
let it go. It will be painful. Show what you got now, Edward. Nesēties, parādi, Zakīti, ko tu tagad gatavo. It's cool. It's so like fluff. Yeah, okay, Katie, next item.
Wait, no, it's not.
Ah, your turn, okay. Kāpēc tā kārtīgi dalēt? Es parādīšu tu jā. Okay. Oh!
Look at the kitten.
You can make music. Slowly and faster, making different sounds, yeah?
Stop. I want to show you my music.
Nice.
I'll be back. I have to get my kitten.
Okay, Katie, now your turn to take out.
I just
Bez nekīša, labi?
so cute.
Ah,
Opa!
Just hitting Mama's.
oh, very cute.
She likes the blanket.
Now, Katie, take out next item.
Go. Loud the
Zayden banana. Zayden, look in it.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Whoa.
Opa!
Vai tu vēl tādā. Oh! Ņem. It's a bracelet. It's a unicorn bracelet. Katie, parādi kamerā.
Guys, can I make music? Hello! Welcome to Kitty's TV and Little Toys and most important, Kitty with the cat!
Okay, next item. Tutti frutti time! Woo!
Guys, Edward, make sure you watch this. I only see Edward.
Okay, Katie, because we are not running long like this, yeah?
Starman!
And the ring, yeah, with the
I'm
flamingo.
gonna be married by a flamingo.
Okay, next.
I wanna really
Imagine.
do it.
A tu vari šitā rādīt vēl? Yeah, what is inside? Again, it's the same dragon.
No, it's a flying one.
The flying dragon, yeah.
It's not a dragon, it's
It looks like
it's a
dragon.
dinosaur.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That
No.
It's a dinosaur!
Hello, you okay?
Yeah, it's dinosaur.
Hello, are you okay?
Okay, Katie, vēl Sara, now come on.
I hit Bella's head by accident.
Oh,
Oh,
it's just spinning.
Bella, what are you doing?
Whoa.
Oh, Katie, I got the spinner, yeah. Sure.
Guys,
Super cool.
I know
And you get different. In the previous box you had this, and now you have different, yeah?
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah,
Let me see
different.
that.
And it's spinning very fast. But it's very hard to spin.
Hello, my turn.
Wow.
Aiziet, parādi kamerā. Look, it's spinning.
So cool.
Yeah, Edward got something. Oh, show.
Look,
Kids are so excited.
it's so
For
satisfying.
Edward, you're like grandma. How old are you?
No, it's satisfying to watch it slow.
For people who are watching us, hi, who joined. We are opening surprise bags. Okay, Katie, now your turn. It's okay, can I load, you know? Давай, skatīties, kaut ko tādu. Vienkārši nē. Yeah? No, what is inside?
I'm gonna grab two, the last two.
Last two items.
It's pockets and this.
Pop it and games. Show in the camera. Wow. And just for pause, I think it's worth it, yeah? So many cool surprises. Okay, but...
Pop it and
Green,
the main
yeah.
skin. Yeah, it's same as Kitty's.
Yeah.
Yeah, same as Kitty's main skin.
I could I can keep changing that player. I can play a reset. Not reset.
Yeah. No, open it. But you have still one item inside, yeah? The last item. Last item left.
Edward's got green.
Stretchy and green.
What are you putting in the...
Spinny.
Nice.
Whoa, it's spinning.
Oh, it's spinning. I will show it, zoom, and I will show in zoom in, yeah? Everything. What...
A blade.
So we open it and take out all 16 items. Now we will open this Jokes and Gags surprise box.
Actually, this is all
bucket.
32 items today.
Okay, put everything what is inside here. And let's show to our viewers what was inside in each bag. Yeah, in a blue and in a pink bag. Yeah?
I have 2.
Let's show. Let's count. If you have 16, count.
I can't. Just put it in the bag.
Not in the bag. Look, you put it back here.
I have 16.
Give me in the bag.
Not in the bag, like on the bag.
No, I'm not gonna put it on there.
Okay, I will put.
No.
Take a kitten. He wants to you. Wants hugs. Wants hugs. Get hugs. Okay. So, guys, are you ready for this mystery box?
Look, guys.
Albert, you have this, yeah? Did you count? Do you have 16 items, yeah? Okay, and you have 16, yeah?
And I got Tima's car.
No, it's just all surprise bags have the same items, and Katie already opened it.
this
So,
is
guys,
season.
here is a. Oh, I'm going closer, right? So this is what was inside in each bag. In each bag, in a blue bag. Uzvelk to vilcieniņu varbūt. And in the pink bag. This is a bracelet. Edward, you didn't have a bracelet, but you had this, yeah?
Yeah, no, I think it was this instead.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this key.
Yeah, and Katie and Edward have the same maze. You can go with the ball.
Hopefully.
What you like the most, guys? Pick one toy. What you like the most from the bag? It's a ring.
Something.
Pick one toy. And you please leave a comment which toy you like the most from the blue bag and from the pink bag. So what you like the most this, yeah?
Yeah, both of these technically, because they're both the same.
Yeah, and you like to play with them. Okay, Katie, pick you. You like most this? Yeah, spinner? No, spin it. Whoa! It's so awesome.
Look at the couch.
I shut it off.
And kitten's playing.
Kids playing with me more.
Yeah, and so I will set up back camera and we will open now mystery jokes and mystery gags.
I go first.
Jokes and
With-
gags.
Yeah, jokes and gags.
Wait,
Wait. No, mommy will be first. Ha ha ha.
No.
Wait, Edward, did you stop?
I'm just putting.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Katie, what you like the most this, yeah? I forgot already. Oh.
I go first.
Okay.
Everyone pick one.
I will show in the camera how looks the bags.
Can I smell it?
So.
Oh, it's
Okay, Katie. Maksimāli tuvāk kamerai var vaļā, lai
It's so
redzētu, jā?
squishy.
Nē, it's not fair. And what it is? Okay, wait, Edward. Ah, wow!
Alien. So cool.
Can I choose?
Yeah, choose. But just quickly, don't touch. Don't touch this. Parādi tā. Tu.
I just.
Yeah.
Wait.
It's for jokes.
Wait.
Wait, I will show in the camera this. I will show in the camera this. Nice, yeah? What will be next? It's not really a joke, it's some fidget toy. I don't know what it would be.
It can be mystery gag. It might be a gag.
Okay, now me. Wait, show me in camera. We'll show this. It's for pranking. Who farted? Who farted? Who farted?
I'm getting this.
Okay, next me. Okay. Hoppa.
I'm taking one.
Wait, where's the
I'm
whoopee
not
cushion?
opening it.
Ah!
No, it's
It's a worm. I don't like worms. Ah!
yeah, it's a joke.
Oh, so massaging.
Okay, can I open mine? Oh, no, keep it.
No, I open it. I want to pick.
Okay, let's go.
I keep on kidding.
Oh, where is one more? Oh, we couldn't show your butterfly, Katie. Okay, next. Open. Ah, it's the same like me? No!
Oh, it's a ball though.
It's a ball.
Alright,
Wait.
It's a really good squishy. Look, when you can put on your finger and squish it.
Yeah.
Let's pretend this is a cow. Stuck it on
Do
in.
you know how to make? I think you need to do like that. Like, no?
Wait, what?
It's a poo! Wait, close it and I will show.
Poo slime.
It's a poo! Okay, Edward, you got a poo!
I'm keeping that! I got fart cushion.
Huh?
Whoopee cushion.
You got a fart and you got no poo. What it should mean, huh?
I pooped today.
Okay, take it out or we will later take it out?
Later.
Later, okay, leave it for later. Poo slime. First time see poo
Look
slime.
at the eyes. I can't.
Okay, next me.
4 people. Thank you for watching. If it's little
Oh,
kids,
it's not plastic, David.
love you guys.
No.
Guys.
Okay, ready? Something yucky. Look. What it is, Dio? It's like octopus, no? Look. It's okay, next.
I'll make your next. So sticky.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open.
What is new? The last for everyone, the last surprise from this mystery bucket, mystery surprise bucket. And you got?
It's not a surprise. Mom, can I get yours?
It's same like this. Wait, pagaidiet, viņi ir jālaiž. It's same. Look. Okay, Edward opening now.
Mom, can I have yours? I can-
Yes, for everyone. It's not mine, not yours. It's for everyone. It's the same. Yeah, we can all play.
Oh.
Ooh, cool.
Oh, I can keep it in this.
At least it's not a poo.
Wait, can I play with that?
Wait, later, okay? I will open. We still have surprises, yeah?
Last surprise.
Are these all the surprises?
Okay, last surprise. Da 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 da. I don't wanna touch it.
I want to catch it. What is it?
Wait, Katie, this is vilkšu.
It's a real bug.
Smells? Oh, disgusting. It's ants! Oh, no, it's a spider!
Give me.
It's a spider!
What's that?
Two spiders. Oh no! Edward, take it. It's 3 spiders.
Why is it so sticky?
Look, 3 spiders and they're very sticky like this octopus. It's also very sticky. I'll show you. Yeah, it's impossible.
It's like jelly. Guys, this feels like
Slime.
jelly. It feels like jelly.
Why it's not... Oh my god. Nevar to plānā paņemt, viņš baigi blurī. Oh!
Whoa, guys, look.
Oh, it's a little spider.
Liquidly.
back in this morning.
Okay, no?
No, Mom, Edward said it's his.
And it's very, very... and I didn't show you this. Look. Okay, let's put everything here.
Edward said it's all for
Parādam
him.
visu, kas bija iekšā, labi?
Edward said it was all for him.
No, it's for all of us. Let's put here everything, yeah, and I will show what was inside in this
Oh, you forgot
bucket
mine.
for £6.
Wait, we only got 2.
Yeah, okay. Nu, laikam, te visus parādīšu, labi? Tā, okay, let's do it. So, in this bucket, we had all these things. I don't know if every bucket has the same. Yeah. What do you like the most from this bucket? Pick it up. One toy each.
Okay, that's fine.
One toy each.
The funniest is totally gonna be this.
Okay, you like it the most, yeah? And Edward's likes those, yeah?
This
No,
is my
I like
favorite.
that.
This is my favorite.
One that Katie.
Alien, yeah? Fidget toy alien. And Edward, what you like the most?
That thing there.
What you holding, yeah?
And what Katie has.
And I like the most, I like this alien. But from kids, surprise bags, I think I like butterfly from Katie's. And from Edward's, I like this teddy bear and this dino. And this, everything. Write comment what you like the most from these surprise bags.
Haha,
And think that it's for today, yeah? What do you want to say more? What do you want to say more?
love you guys.
Slime! Poo slime! Let's try this poo slime.
Can you write it?
Yeah, let's try this poo slime.
It's so like liquid.
Yeah.
Like liquid.
Like liquid?
Uh-huh. Feels like it.
It's a poo, Katie! Oh!
It doesn't even stick to my hand.
Yeah? Show me. Yo!
I thought it's like liquid.
Yee, poo, Edward, poo!
I want it.
It puts tomato like that.
Yeah, it's very slimy, yeah?
No, it's very even slimy. It's not even sticky.
Nu, pastiep tā, jā, pastiep šitā.
It's
Not stretchy, yeah?
Yeah, it's more puke. It's not stretchy, guys.
Okay, let's put it back.
I don't want it. It's so fun.
I won't play with this poo.
When are we ending this live stream?
Soon.
Ooh, it's
So-
too big.
Oh, and it's so, I don't know, look, it's not like a
Here.
normal slime, it's like not like usual slime, it's like different, it's really like, I don't know, some crap.
Like caca.
Okay, I think we will not make slime because it's already half an hour we are in live streaming, but we will show what we already made.
I'm also
It's a galaxy slime.
I made that.
Katie was making it.
Guys,
Look, it's really cool. But we will make video and show later what we made. And also we wanted to say you the next week probably we will upload our Legoland video. I already cut it. 30 minutes long it will be from last year. Yeah, we were doing Legoland.
last year. What about this year?
And we were going on Lego Speedway, new ride. And it was your favorite, yeah? And yeah, you can go and check other videos. Already unboxing his birthday gifts and our shorts. Every day we are uploading shorts. You can check Edward's Place video channel, Edward's Place, and Katie Kids TV channel. Okay? So I'm saying bye bye. I love you. Subscribe and like.
guys, like to Hubby, Gigi.
Yeah, Hubertus Place, Little Cotton Eva, Pastillo Inc. All our friends channels. Okay, bye bye. Ah. So long.
Right at the end.